Thank you.
Honorable Alberts.
Thank you, Speaker. Two conclusions can be made regarding the committee's process and the findings made. On the one hand, the report is a statement of how not to run a public enterprise, and on the other hand, how Parliament should actually exercise its oversight role. We wish to commend the ad hoc committee's aggressive and thorough interrogation of the affairs of the SABC. At the same time, we condemn the SABC senior management's misconduct and abuse of power as laid bare in the report. We further condemn the SABC board's lack of proper oversight, save for those board members who have followed their conscience. We reserve special condemnation for the SABC's previous CEO and COO, Hlaudi Motsoeneng, and his ally, the Minister of Communications, Faith Muthambi, who flouted the law in every conceivable manner to ensure control over the SABC and the entrenchment of self-interest. Daar is sekere aspekte van die komiteeverslag wat spesiale vermelding verdien. Die SABC raadvoorsitter se aktiewe ondermyning van die komitee deur sy weiering om te verskyn en inligting te verskaf is skreiend, en sy poging om die ondersoek te stop deur hofaansoek is tekenend van sy disrespek vir die parlement, en die vraag is hoe hy ooit aangestel is as voorsitter van die SABC. We have noted the financial mismanagement of the SABC and are ourselves taking action to ensure that those who have taken irresponsible decisions are held to account. In this regard, we are in a process of requesting the Companies Commission to investigate Hlaudi Motsoeneng's decision to increase the local content quotas before using all of the content acquired from foreign suppliers. This would have been paid in US dollars and will result in huge amounts to be written off by the SABC. We are asking the Companies Commission to hold Mr. Motsoeneng personally liable for this in terms of the Companies Act. Lastly, the Minister's circumvention of the Broadcasting Act and her further unlawful acts to intervene in the affairs of the SABC and to protect certain individuals is unbecoming of a minister who is supposed to uphold the rule of law and the Constitution. Gegee die gemors by die SABC kan mens jou net indink hoe dit by ander openbare ondernemings gaan. Die gelekte Dentons verslag dui daarop dat dit nog slegter gaan by Eskom. Wat weer eens bevestig word deur hierdie gebeure is dat die regering nie in staat is om enige ekonomie sentraal te bestuur nie en moet hulle hande afhou van die privaat sektor. Based on this committee's work, we recommend the following steps: that Parliament appoints an ad hoc committee to investigate the veracity of the findings in the Dentons report and to continue its aborted investigation on another state enterprise, namely Eskom. That the SABC management be purged from personnel not appointed on merit, and that Minister Faith Muthambi be fired. Thank you.